We are going to be trying some of these 2 times spicy hot noodles. In the shadow. We have cookies too. Hot chicken flavor. 2 times. I'm going to be putting this on my channel. Okay, here we go. I'm going to try some of this. I'm going to put the camera. Ooh. Light on. Can you see me? Am I good? Everybody said, I've done the 1 chip challenge. You can go check my channel. Go see that. That was hot. This isn't hot. He's not there.
Aaron's going to start to sweat. Look at it. Perspiration already starting on his forehead.
Okay. Okay. That's about 15 seconds. My lips are tingling. My mouth, my tongue is starting to get really tingly now. The roof of my mouth is tingling pretty good. You can really feel it good now. It's coming along. It's actually picking up pretty good. Yeah, I think we're okay with that. Let's go again here. These need to be cut down a little bit, but that's okay. Let's go. Are they hot? Yeah, they're okay. Lips are burning. Lips are going numb. 2 times spicy. These are pretty spicy. These are actually pretty good. I can feel my sinuses clearing up pretty good too. my tongue is getting tingly. Roof of my mouth. That's pretty good. This is on the edge of me liking it, being into pain and not hot enough, but this is warm. This is good. If you like the spice, oh yeah, this is good. Now it's kicking up a little bit more. I had a little tear in this eye. Don't want to wipe my eyes. I want to dip my fingers and wipe my eyes because I'd be in trouble then. Lips are numb. Tongue is really going crazy now. Inside your mouth, burning good. There's our first. Let's go. We got about half a bowl left. That's got some spice to it. That's good. Oh, there goes the sinuses clearing up now.
They're crisp.
Got a little tears happening here. You can see them. Lips are numb. Tongue getting there. Sinuses are really going crazy now. Woo! Oh, I need to blow my nose. Woo! Now it's getting there. Look at the eyes. It's picked it up another level. Okay, we're done. GoPro, stop recording.